Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you? I think you are well in your home. My dear student, আমি আজকে ক্লাস 7 থেকে ক্লাস 7 ইংলিশ ফার্স্ট পেপারের একটি ক্লাস দিব। এই ক্লাসটি রুটিন মাফিক ছিল জনাব ফিরোজ আলম স্যারের ক্লাস। ফিরোজ আলম স্যার গ্রামের বাড়িতে থাকার কারণে তার ক্লাসটি আমি নিচ্ছি। ওকে, I think you will be with me and learn something. Okay, let's start. First of all, it is my identity. We will take a class of English first paper, English for today, and it is Unit 5, Lesson 1. It is from Unit 5, Lesson 1. Okay. Can you tell me what is in the picture? What is the person? Can you tell me? Guess. I think she is a world leader. Okay, and she is Angela Merkel. Is the Chancellor of Germany. And who is the person? Guess. She is a very famous and a renowned person in the world, and she was the president, ex-president or elected governor of state of America. I think she is a very well-known person, ex-president of America, the Hillary Clinton. Okay, and she is more famous, all of them, and she is known all over the world. Okay, she is Mother Teresa. Okay, and who is she? I think all of you know about her. Yes, she is Malala. She is Malala from Pakistan, and she is a social worker also. And here is a picture, another picture. Can you tell me who is she? Yes, she is a poet, our very renowned poet, Begum Sofia Kamal. Okay? And can you tell me? All of you knows it very well. She is our honorable Prime Minister and our great leader, Bangabandhu Sheikh, daughter of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Okay? And who is she? Can you tell me? Yes, she is Begum Rokeya, a famous writer and a social worker. Okay? All of you knows her very well. Okay, today our topic is Begum Rokeya. So first of all, after finishing our chapter, we will learn something, and our learning outcomes from that lesson is, at the end of the lesson, we will be able to earn some new words, first of all, then read and understand a text, ask and answer question, and talk and write about a people or some people or any kinds of people. Okay? First of all, we will know some vocabularies or the meanings of some words. Okay? Can you tell me what is the meaning of famous? Here is a picture of a famous person. Do you know him? Yes, he is great scientist. Okay, he is a great scientist. And so famous means renowned. Famous means renowned. Okay, and there is another word, social. What is the meaning of social? Can you guess the meaning of social after watching the picture? Okay, here is a picture of the connectivity of one people to another, which is very related to the society. If you live in a society, you will have to connect with the other people. So, social means related to society. You are the part of a society. So, social means related to the society. And another word here is undivided. What is the meaning of undivided? Here is a picture of undivided promise. Everybody of in this picture is not divided. They are whole. They are in a whole body. So they are connected, or they are collective people here. So undivided means whole. And here is another word, encourage. What is the meaning of encourage? Can you guess the meaning after seeing the picture? Okay, a boy is consoling a girl. Okay, so the meaning of encourage is inspire. He is inspiring him. Okay. Here is another word, opportunity. What is the meaning of opportunity? Can you tell me after saying the word, after seeing the picture of the word? Opportunity means opening something, or it's an access or chance to do anything. Okay? Another word here is upper. Oh, upper. The person is above from all of the person, and he is upper person. Okay, so upper means higher or superior. He is superior. Everybody knows him. Okay. Another word here is landlord. What is the meaning of landlord? Landlord means owner of a huge amount of land. Okay. One who owns or possesses vast land. One person who possesses a vast land. He is the landlord. And another meaning is here, believe. What is the meaning of believe? Here is a picture of believing. Okay? Believe means trust. Trust. Okay. So, here is the last word, cooperative. What is the meaning of cooperative? Cooperative means connected with each other and do something with connecting with each other, and ability to work with another. Cooperative means ability to work with others, or work with each others. Okay. Here we have learned some words or new words on that chapter. Okay, in this page we will watch a video, or know something about some information about Begum Rokeya Shakwat. Here is a biography of Begum Rokeya Shakwat. Okay, read out the passage here. Okay, here is a paragraph or biography of Begum Rokeya Shakwat. Rokeya Shakwat Hussain, 9 December, he was born 9 December 1880. Okay, and died 1932. Commonly known as Begum Rokeya was a Bengali feminist thinker, educator, and political activist from who is widely regarded as a pioneer of women's liberation in South Asia. She was one of the greatest social reformer of Bangladesh. Okay. Okay, do you read here? During the 19th century, Muslim women were not allowed to come out of their house. They were not introduced to any kind of education except for Arabic. It was Ruqya who went to everyone's door and explained the importance of women education. She also ensured the safety precautions she will take to make sure that the Muslim women don't lose their parda. Read out with me Early Life of Begum Rokeya. So here is Early Life of Begum Rokeya. Rokeya was born in Pairabang district in Rangpur district. She was brought up in a conservative Muslim family. Thus, Rokeya was not permitted to go to schools. English education was strictly prohibited for her. But her curiosity for education amongst her brothers. So during midnight, when everyone was asleep, her elder brother Muhammad Ibrahim started teaching her English and Bangla under a hurricane. Her brothers also taught him to write. Here is another caption. Rokeya was married at a very early age, just at the age of 17 in 1897. Her beloved husband, Syed Shakwat Hussain, also encouraged her to carry on with her dream. Okay. We have learned a biography of Begum Rokeya Shakwat. Okay, after that, we will, what we have learned from our biography. We have learned from the text here, Begum Rokeya is a famous writer and a social worker. She was a famous writer also and a social worker. She was born in 1880. Okay, and we have learned from the text she was self-educated. She was self-educated nobody educate her except her brother. Learned Bangla and English from her brother. She was taught by her brother. And her aim was to establish women's right in society. Actually, it is a very or a great work for her. She believed that women should have the same rights and opportunities as men have in the society. We have learned these things from our texts. Okay, here is a map of Rangpur, and Begum Rokeya was born in a village called Pairaband, Rangpur. Okay, her famous works of what he had done. Her famous work was Poddorag, Sultana's Dream, and Oborod Bashini. That was her famous work. Okay, so answer the question here. We will answer some question here. What was Begum Rokeya's belief? Begum Rokeya's belief. What was Rokeya's belief? She believed that women should have the same rights and the same opportunities as men have in the society. Okay, here is another question. What did she fight for? What did she fight for? Okay, she fought for the rights of women. In her whole life, she fought for the rights of the women, especially for women education. And there is the third question. What kind of family did she come from? Okay, she came from an educated, conservative Muslim family. Her family was educated and it was also a conservative Muslim family. Okay, and the fourth question, why did many upper class Muslims learn Arabic and Persian at the time? Why they learned Persian and Arabic on that time? Many upper class Muslims learn Arabic and Persian to educate and communicate at that time. On the time, Arabic and Persian language was familiar, and everybody communicated with each other with this language. And question number 5, why did Rokeya learn Bangla and English? Rokeya learned Bangla and English for her great love for her mother tongue. Okay, so here is the question. Here are some multiple choice question. Here Begum Rokeya was born in which was the correct? Which is the correct answer from there? Can you tell me? Okay, yes, it is 1880. And she learned Bangla and dash from her elder brother. What was the correct answer? Okay, Bangla and English. And can you tell me, her husband was deputy magistrate of dash. Which is the correct answer? Okay, it is Bhagalpur. Her husband was a magistrate of Bhagalpur. And at last question number 4, Begum Rokeya had great love for her. Which one is correct? Mother tongue. So Begum Rokeya had a great love for her mother tongue. So here is a homework, and I think all of you have learned something from our class, and you will have a homework here write a paragraph about Begum Rokeya. The homework will you will write it and check it by your own self by the help of your textbook. Okay? And till then, Allah Hafiz, I will meet you again or with another class or any other day from your according to your routine. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.